Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A31. In this video I'll show you how to set custom notification sound. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Sound. Scroll down, enter Advanced, go to Ringtones and select Default Notification Sound. Scroll all the way down, enter Add Notification, go to Downloads, Audio or Recent, and select your custom sound. Now select it from the list, tap OK and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.